Hello friends, welcome to Local Marks और friends today we have came in Corban Fitness. एक हमारा जिम है महरौली में और this gym is operating by Mr. Shivu. He is like providing training and like his expertise in this line, friends. So today we are going to speak with Mr. Shivu, who managing this gym, and he having couple of year experience. So let's start with, about his journey and overview of the gym as well. So, Mr. Shivu, I want to know, since when you like providing your expertise in this gym, and what's the exact location, and also give me some overview of the gym about timings, what kind of equipments you having, so our users are seeing, they get some fruitful information.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Shibu. I'm the international certified fitness trainer. I'm certified from ISA, International Sports Science Association. So I started this gym in 2014. Almost 7 years over now. It's going to be 8 years now. So this is located in Mehrauli, Gurudwara Road, near bus stand. So I have a total 30 years experience in this industry. I started in 1991. So gym's working hours like in the morning 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening 4 to 10. A lot of people are coming here according to their requirements and demands. Like we are designing the programs, like we are checking at the parameters like a body fat percentage and by BMI, BMR. According to that, we are designing their workouts. The mostly people are coming here for a weight management, weight loss and weight gaining only. And we are not focusing on the professional type of the bodybuilding. The main reasons are we are not promoting any kind of the steroid things are there. We are not providing any fat burners and.
So, Mr. Shibu, I just want to ask few points actually. As you like, I can say coach or you can say trainer of this gym, and you guiding your guys who are coming and doing the exercise daily basis. So every user or every client having some personal goals normally. So if they're coming to the gym, they have some personal goals to achieve. How are you helping them to achieve those goals? And as you know that we can rely on supplements also, we can rely on natural diets also. So how you can differentiate both these I can say domains that where they should go for the supplements, in which stage or which stage they should rely on the natural diets as well, which is very important. So how you guiding them?
Yeah, the people are coming here for their workouts. Like so many people wants to lose weight, so many of them wants to gain weight, and some other wants to fit. So we are advising them according to their body structure and their requirements. We are guiding them all the workout. So always make sure that the people are coming, they are doing the wrong posture. The most of the people I'm noticing that they're wrong posture, they're doing the workouts. So the wrong method they're practicing that. That is the reason many of the people are just doing such a long time, but they are not getting the proper results. So many of the exercises are there, some kind of the biomechanism there. People are not focusing that. The most important part is that how they are doing the exercise. And secondly, the supplement. The supplement I'm recommending then because the natural source we won't get a sufficient vitamins or minerals in the natural diet. So in deficiency, always I'm recommending that. If there is they have a sufficient protein or vitamins in their body, then not required that. But at the present situation, we won't get it the natural source, the sufficient protein or what other vitamins. Especially the people who is working office hours, they are getting up the late morning and reaching home by late evening. They are not getting sunlight. The vitamin D deficiency most of the people having that. So we have to take it the vitamin D. There is no options. The protein which we are getting that from the natural source, we are not getting sufficient because the milk source or some other people having the vegetarian, those people are not getting sufficient protein from the natural source because the main we are getting all the things like food items adulterated. So we are not getting proper protein. So that is the only one reason I'm recommending to go for the supplements. Otherwise, yeah. So the people who are interested to go for a good diet and they can just depend on their intake more of the protein. And the deficiency, people having the deficiency, they can go for a supplements. So normally do like that only. So I recommend some people are interested to take supplements, some people are not interested. We are never forcing to anyone to take a supplements. The rest of the workout is properly. We are making them make sure that they are doing proper way do the workouts. So that is only for the gym. This normally happening that.
So, Mr. Shibu, I also would like to ask you that about some of your personal journey, and what about your daily routines or daily basis like diet? I can say how you like managing your diet plans on daily basis, and what kind of suggestions you would like to advise for some of the users or who seeing you at this moment or our subscribers, our followers, even like your friends and followers who will see when they will see this video, what are your suggestions, like how to remain fit on daily basis?
Actually, my journey started from 1990. I started bodybuilding. So almost after 3 years, I just some of my senior told me to become a trainer then, and he guided me to how to become a trainer, and he taught me so many things are there. So I became the normal trainer and just practicing and giving the training to the many people in Kerala. So it was in 1990, and 2003 I came to Delhi to find a job there. So in between, I have done the hotel management also. I worked in that hotel industry almost 3 years, but I didn't get any satisfaction in this industry because fitness is my passion there. So when I came to Delhi, I realized that's a bright future in there. So I joined the Lumbrini Hotel in Jaipur as a trainer. From there, I jumped to in Delhi in Hyatt as a trainer. From there, I just started after that. After a couple of years, 2003 to 2007, I was working as a gym trainer. From the 2007, I became a personal trainer. I just trained many high profiles in Delhi itself. And then my journey started, and then after that, 2012, I met an accident and was not able to continue my workout. Almost 1 year I bedridden. Then I started a gym here. So it was a good response from the people, and this is going on. Then I have trained many of the people. We have more than 1,000 members. I train more than 1,000 members. I train here. So I'm telling to people, just do the exercise. It's not necessary to go to the gym. If you want to maintain fit, just do any kind of the fitness activities, 45 minutes to 1 hour every day. You can maintain. So if you want to lose weight, initially what you do, just find a trainer, good trainer, and just learn how to do the exercise. Make sure that the postures are correct. So once the postures are correct, you can do yourself also if you have a commitment yourself. The gym is only just atmosphere, giving the atmosphere, because they're giving the posture proper guidance, and there is an atmosphere in the gym. So you'll get motivated yourself, or just the trainers will motivate you. But the personal, if you are doing yourself, you have to motivate yourself only. So you have to do like that, then you can become fit. In this present condition, the COVID is spreading everywhere. Our health also going to be bad. But if you are maintaining your health good, definitely you can survive in these conditions. So being fit, that's the most important part, and maintaining the diet is the most important part. My diet is starting from the morning. I'm taking normally much carbohydrate, less carbohydrate. Morning the carbohydrate I'm taking carbohydrate with the fiber and protein also, and the lunch also remains same. But evening I'm taking only vegetables, nothing else, vegetables or fruits or something like that. So this, and the age of, I'm in 49 now, in the age of 49, and just I hope so I'm maintaining a good physique now. So this is what you can also follow it that. If you are just doing this daily routine, you can do that. And lifestyle also most important part. So some of the people are just sleeping late night and waking up late night and not having the breakfast. That's the wrong method. We have to sleep 11 to 6 is a compulsory, or 11 to 5. You have to start sleeping at 11. Then wake up in the morning and have the breakfast before 9 o'clock. Have the breakfast and have the meal on time. Then do the exercise 1 hour time every day. You can maintain your physique.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अभी हमारे साथ एलन जी जुड़ी हुई हैं, जो हमारे कोरबन फिटनेस जिम में महरौली में काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ पे आ रही हैं. तो लेट्स टॉक हर अबाउट हर एक्सपीरियंस कि यहाँ पे कब से आ रही हैं और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा इनका अंडर शिबू. तो शी वुड लाइक टू एडवाइज टू अदर्स एज वेल दैट दे शुड कम टू दिस जिम और नॉट एक्चुअली.
हाय, मेरा नाम एलन है. मैं इस जिम में बहुत टाइम से आ रही हूँ. मेरे को 2 साल हुआ था. फिर आई टुक अ ब्रेक बीच में, बिकॉज मेरे 12th के बोर्ड्स थे, तो आई टुक अ ब्रेक. अब मेरे को 3 महीने हो गए हैं, एंड हम बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेन. मैं सुबह भी आ रही हूँ आजकल, तो बहुत अच्छी ट्रेनिंग होती है. हर वर्कआउट के बीच में हमें बताते हैं कि कैसे पोजीशन होना चाहिए प्रॉपरली. अगर हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं तो हम हमेशा एक स्पॉटर होता है हमारे साथ. और फिर मैंने एक पर्सनल डाइट प्लान बनाया था कि ऐसे हर दिन करना है. वीकली डाइट चेंज होता है कि इस वीक में ये तो अगले वीक में चेंज होता है फिर. और फिर गाइडेंस अच्छी मिलती है. मेरा गोल था इस 2 मंथ्स के अंदर कम करना है. मैंने अच्छा खासा अमाउंट रिड्यूस कर लिया वेट, एंड ही हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन दिस प्रोसेस. और बहुत मोटिवेट करते हैं सर.
तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा आपने देखा कि एलन जी जुड़ी थी हमारे साथ, एंड शी गिवन द वेरी गुड वेरी पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस. काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ पे आ रही हैं, एंड शी गेटिंग वेरी गुड मोटिवेशन और गाइडेंस आई कैन से अंडर मिसेस शिबू. तो फ्रेंड्स आप भी आ सकते हैं, महरौली में है जैसा शिबू जी ने बताया. इट इज़ नियर टू अवर बस स्टैंड, बस अड्डा बोलते हैं जिसको बेसिकली. उसके बैक साइड में हमारा ये एक कोरबन फिटनेस है फ्रेंड्स, सेकंड फ्लोर पे. तो आइए, कुछ क्वेरीज होती हैं शिबू जी से डायरेक्टली, यू कैन शेयर योर क्वेरीज. बाकी मिस्टर शिबू, यू गिवन अस योर वंडरफुल टाइम एंड you also mentioned about your some of the overview of the gym, your personal journey. So really thankful, we are really thankful as a team that you given us this time, and definitely the users who viewing this video, definitely they should get some good information, good knowledge like near to this area, and they will definitely come to this gym and join this gym.
So thank you very much. So you're spending such a wonderful time here. So thanks to all, and just whoever wants to come to the gym, just please visit our gym and see your experience. Okay, thank you.